25717, we have the 2-box break of 2324 Upper Deck Ice. We have a green for Columbus of Johnny Gaudreau, a rookie of William Dufour for the Islanders, and an Ice Premier's jersey for the Calgary Flames of Matthew Coronado. Purple for Carolina of Kochetkov, green for Vancouver of Hiroshi, Brock Faber, Minnesota Wild rookie. Depth of Winter for Detroit of DeBrincat, green for Chicago of Taylor Radish, rookie for Vancouver of McDonough. Purple for Boston of James Van Riemsdyk, rookie for green for Winnipeg of Cole Perfetti, rookie for Seattle of Ty Cartier. Depth of Winter of Charlie McAvoy, Ice Premier's number to 999 for Boston, John Beecher, green of Jacob Pelletier for Calgary, Milos Kellerman for Arizona rookie. Purple for New Jersey of Luke Hughes, green for Vegas of Jonathan Marchessault, and a rookie for Ottawa of Ridley Gregg. Ice Premier's blue, number to 799 for Edmonton of Desharnais, green for Pittsburgh of Sidney Crosby, and a rookie for Arizona of Logan Cooley. Sub-Zero for Calgary of Dustin Wolf, green for Ottawa Tyler Cleven, rookie for Columbus Billy Sweezy. Depth of Winter for the Minnesota Wild of Matt Boldy, green for the Islanders of Bo Horvat, rookie of Matthew Nice for Toronto. Green for Nashville of Roman Josi, rookie of Nikita Nesterenko for Anaheim. And an Ice Premier's Retro, number to 149 for the Montreal Canadiens, Sean Farrell. Green for Detroit of Edvinsson, rookie for Pittsburgh of Jonathan Gruden, and an exquisite rookie number to 499 for the Islanders of William Dufour. Depth of Winter of Svozil for Columbus, green for Detroit Dylan Larkin, and a rookie for Buffalo of Devin Levi. Box 2. We have an Ice Premier's green, number to 299 for the Anaheim Ducks of Tristan Luneau. Green for Pittsburgh, Brian Rust, rookie for Calgary of Pelletier. Frozen in Ice for the Boston Bruins of Linus Ullmark. Green for Toronto, Bobby McMahon, rookie for Columbus of Stanislav Svozil. Snowman for Washington of Ovechkin, green for Philly, Kim Atkinson, rookie for Columbus of Billy Sweezy. Ice Premier's blue, number to 799 for Montreal of Joel Teasdale, green for Winnipeg of Josh Morrissey, and a Connor Bedard, rookie for Chicago. Sub-Zero for Ottawa of Levi Miralainen, green of Owen Beck for Montreal, rookie for Detroit of Edvinsson. Depth of Winter of Hurdle for the Sharks, green for Tampa Braden Point, rookie for Vancouver of Hiroshi. Purple for Washington Sonny Milano, green for Seattle Matty Beniers, rookie for Buffalo Devin Levi. Depth of Winter of Stanislav Zozil for Columbus. Green of Hugh McGing for St. Louis. William Dufour, rookie for the Islanders. Exquisite rookie number to 299 for the Dallas Stars, Matt Murray. Purple for Calgary of Walker Duehr. Green for Winnipeg, Gabe Vilardi. Rookie for Minnesota of Brock Faber. Green for Vancouver, Kuzmenko. Matthew Nyes, rookie for Toronto. And a Sub-Zero, a rookie for the Sharks, Thomas Bordelot. Oh my gosh, focus. There we go. Purple for Anaheim, Mason McTavish. Green for Calgary, Matthew Coronado. Rookie for Anaheim of Nesterenko. And a Depth of Winter of Matthew Tkachuk for Florida. Green for Detroit of Moritz Seider. And a rookie for Pittsburgh, Jonathan Gruden. There we go, ladies and gents.